Guys, I am Ronnie, the Cameroon King of Pips of Cameroon Online School of Forex. So actually here I'm going to give you hints on how to kick off with your trading and your training. So your trading. So actually when you wish to analyze trades or trends, you go to www.tradingview.com, and this is the platform. So actually I am going to be giving you some highlights on hints on how the platform works. So when you click here and this it opens on your laptop, you go to chat, click chat, and you wait. It is opening, right? Yeah, it is opening, and I've already configured my moving averages. This is moving average 20. This is moving average 50. I mean, this is moving average 50, and this is moving average 200. So I have set it. You go to indicators here, you select moving averages, and you add. So for you to add currency pairs, you click this plus sign here. Is the plus sign here, you click it. Once you click it here, you can search any currency pair that you wish to add. Let's take, for example, I wish to add Great British Pound USD. I just click it and it is added there at the top. So actually this is a gold pair. For me to trade this gold pair, I used my moving average 200 and moving average 50. Look at it. It was moving here. Let me show you what actually happened. Once this moving average 200 crosses over, moving from up to down, and it crosses over moving average 50, the trend will keep rising. It will keep rising, and once it reaches that uptrend and it still crosses over this moving average 50, pointing itself downward, know that a sell will keep coming. As it is moving down like this, if it moves and it doesn't cross like here, it means that the trend is still moving down. And finally, once it moves, this one, this is the moving average 200. Once it moves and cuts across and this one goes above it, know that a buy will be coming soon. So let me choose another currency pair. Let me use USD Japanese yen. Okay, this is USD Japanese yen. This is the same thing here. Look at it at uptrend here. This is moving average 50 and it has crossed over here. A sell was coming. A sell, it kept selling. So until a crossover occurred here, a moving average, and it kept buying. So until it came here and there was a crossover, meaning that a sell will set in. Look at how price keeps going down. If there is a crossover here, it will start to buy. So that is actually what I do. So you can also sit at home and do it, and you make some money. So there are times we also draw what we call trend lines. Let me give you an example here. When I want to draw a trend line, I come here, I click this one. I click this arrow. When I come here now, since the trend is moving this way, I'm using the M15. Look at it. Look at how this trend has been going. I click. I pick another trend line. I just go and click it and I pick. Look at how this one has been working. It left here. This was the support. It has been supported here ever since. I can come here and just click OK. I don't bother. I come here, please. There's a small arrow in front of it. Click it. Once you click it, many signs will come. Then you come and pick an arrow here. Look at how this trade will move. Look at it, will move like this. It's a sudden buy, since it is following a resistance and support somewhere here. This is it. So this is actually how it will happen. So that's what I can tell you for now, so that you can start your trading and know that you're trading safely. So that's it. Let me open another pair and try to show you breakouts. I want to check for a breakout. So okay, this is where I will show you a breakout. Let me use my trend lines. Here I cannot pick an arrow. I need to click a trend line just like this one. So let me start here to draw my straight trend line. It comes here. Look at what happens. Right? Once it crosses this line, the trend was moving upward, and once it crosses here and a candlestick goes below this one, know that price will keep going down. It will keep going down until whatsoever, until look at, there was even a crossover here. Once the crossover occurs, the price will keep going down. If it goes down and this one goes down also and start crossover, the price will keep go back again. That's actually what we do. Look at a crossover here. Crossover occurs and it goes up. So that's actually what we do. So this is a breakover. It means that support was broken, because here is a support. Let me show you a resistance. So let me show you the resistance of how it was moving. I can decide and draw my resistance this way. Let me show you. I can say that this was my resistance. Even though here some people will use a double top. This is how it works. But for me, I will use this one and this one. It is moving upward, but the support has been broken, and that's why we had to start selling. Let me show you another instant still here. So this was how the trend was moving upward. It was moving upward. What happened? The support here was broken again, so it had to sell until there was a crossover somewhere here, showing that a buy will continue. So when it reached this instant, that was actually what happened. Okay, let me use a USD Japanese yen, or let me use gold. Gold will give you a clear view of what is actually happening. Gold is at 1838, so I told you guys, go make it. A huge buy is coming. So let me show you what when drawing trend lines you need to do. So look at it very well. This line here is an indication that no matter what happens, gold must come back to this position. Gold must come back to this position. So for now, as traders, as my traders, look at, this is the line. This is the line here. Gold, it is a must that by this weekend, gold must have touched this position, moving towards 900. You come back here, click in front of it and pick your arrow. Then this is how gold is going to move. Gold must move to this point. So that's how it is. When you make it like this, look for the lowest point. Look for the lowest point. Okay, this is a trend line. This is, let me say, go, it went down and stopped somewhere here. You can decide and put your stop loss somewhere here, because it can still come down and touch this line before going up. That's where we choose our stop loss somewhere here. So this is actually how gold move from now, and from there now, if it comes and break this resistance, if it comes, then let me show you. If it comes and breaks this point and still move a little bit upward, breaks this point and move like this, gold will keep moving upward. So that's it. So that's what I will be teaching you. There are times you need to map out a particular zone. You may decide and map it out. Let me show you. Yes, I've picked my arrow. If you want to map out a particular zone, you can map it out this way. This is the zone gold is moving. Gold has been moving in this What's happening? This is my zone. I've reduced it downward. If you check at it very well, you understand what I mean. This has been the zone. Gold has been moving up and down. Resistance and support. Good. So with this notion, you can start trading. You can trade safely. So I've said it. There are many things you learn from using this app. Is good because when you're using with a computer or with a mobile phone, it gives you a clear view of the market. So you can select time frames here. Let me choose 1 hour for gold. This is 1 hour. Let me choose a different currency pair. New Zealand CAD. Okay, this is New Zealand Canadian dollar. This is where our crossover took place. Yes, and you see how the price is going down. That's why I say that when there is a crossover, don't just be in a hurry to feel that it is going against you. And make sure, and I encourage you guys to trade with at least $100 account, so that you have an edge even if it goes up, and use smaller lot sizes as a beginner. So use even 0.01 and with $100, and you open 3 positions at a time. So that's actually what we do. We are never in a hurry. So look at this one. There is a possibility that this market will keep going down. Yes, it will keep going down. And always work with candlesticks as well, because they show us a clear view of a movement, whether it is a bullish or a bearish. Look at what actually happened here. There was a bearish engulfing here. No matter how it goes up, it will come down. So that was actually, so here many people will be waiting for a bullish. This one here is for scalpers. So if you are scalping, you'll be picking these trades. So finally here a reversal is coming soon, and that is what we do in the FX market. Thanks guys. Start trading. I am Ronnie, your Cameroon king of pips. So Cameroon Online School of Forex, Cameroon Forex welcomes you. Cameroon Online School of Forex welcomes you to her trading platform, and I wish that may you trade with a lot of safety. Thanks for being there today. I am Ronnie, the Cameroon king of pips.